Alright people, this is Tito Indigo, and this is where we stayed last night. We tried to find the Cave of Swallows.
What an odd pooping position.
Got kind of lost. And we ended up here. Nearby the Cave of Swallows, but not necessarily the Cave of Swallows. And we paid 80 pesos for this room, $25 to park, and here we are. You can tell that we're overlooking this incredible mountain. Incredible. We're really high up. So yeah, we are here in Mantet Sulel. Mantet Sulel is the name of the town, and the name of the nearby cave, which we hope to be seeing later today. We slept very well. Compost toilet and 2 beds with a fan. Jay slept in the van, and this is our view as soon as we woke up.
No stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be, 'cause my past is ancient history. Said ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be, 'cause my past is ancient history. Said ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be, 'cause my past is ancient history. Said ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be, 'cause my past is ancient history.
Day 5, we just left some caves on the top of a mountain. Kind of got lost. Now we're on our way to Las Grutas for some mineral baths. Got about 7-8 hour drive. One love.
We don't need no map, huh? We on our path. Rims keep rolling. Earth we strong.
Mexico, road trip, van life, Cuban cigar. We just shot a video for Tito. Little tequila, little Corona. Know what I'm saying?
Buenos dias. This is Tito Indigo, and we are at Las Grutas Tolantongo. We drove 6 hours yesterday, more like 7, from La Cueva La Luz del Sol, close to Cueva de los Dolandrinas, to get here to Las Grutas Tolantongo. We're overlooking this incredible view this morning. We camped further down the mountain, and we woke up to take this walk up to Las Grutas. These are natural mineral baths. There's Beatnik Chemist getting in. They are quite warm. Is it warm? We just took a pretty warm walk up the mountain. About a 30-minute walk, but it was pretty worth it. They've taken this area and carved out of the mountain little pools and cascades where people can bathe. The mineral water here is supposed to have healing properties. The Aztecs were said to bathe in them when they got sick. Not these specifically, but mineral baths like these. So we decided to check out Las Grutas. And as you can tell, it is a pretty cool experience.
I'm trying to be the best that I can be. 'Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be.
Next, we'll be heading to Los Acueductos, close to Mexico City, about 2 hours outside of the city itself. Then we'll be heading to Teotihuacan, the ancient pyramid of the Aztecs. The journey has been incredible so far, and we're still not even a full week in.
Bring guitars, drums, and bass, just for a taste of the pure essence, the blessings we're requesting. Let go of stresses, messes we might make. This life I take, sweet like cake. Not surprising when I sing, I change. Crystal hair wraps hang, I blink. Double Chico bass, we don't need no math. Huh. We on our path, rims keep rolling, earth we strolling, under the bridge trolling. Looking for the pot of gold, rainbows in our hearts to hold. I'm the phone guy, bold, cause my brother's like no other shadow.
Yo, we taking the dirt road through Mexico. We just came all the way down this mountain, swinging in the van. Got the GoPro filming, got the Samsung filming, got Tito filming. We working. All right, we're about to get some sexy drone shots on this dirt road. I'm finna hop in the driver's seat.
See enchilada smothered, we eating good.
Ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. 'Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses.
We are at the Acueductos, and we're checking it out. Let me just go down this path as fast as I can to show you guys what's going on up here. The police are monitoring the area very heavily, it seems like. I guess they really don't want people out here too late. But God, look at that sunset too. 6th day here in Mexico. 6th day. We woke up this morning, saw Las Grutas, went down a windy mountain path to get here. And we have another 45-minute drive after this in the sunset hour to get to Teotihuacan, where we will be camping.
That I can be. 'Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. 'Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. 'Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be.
Good morning, y'all. We got Beatnik Chemist over here making a beat. And SniperShot's gonna tell you where we are.
Yo, what up? Cheers, everybody out there. We are in Teotihuacan, Mexico. About to go see the pyramids. Last night we went to the aqueduct, and it was right at sunset. So we got in here at night. The first campsite we were supposed to go to was closed and no lights on and looked kind of deserted. And we tried to find another place, and that didn't work. And we ended up at a hotel, and he hooked us up with this other hotel where we could camp at night. So as you see over here, that's Tito and I's home for the next couple weeks. Today is day 7, so we're about a week in now. Stayed up pretty late editing video last night, editing up some of the music we've been creating. Got to take my first hot shower of the week, which is cool. And I got some pretty cool, I think, kumquat trees over here. Go take a look. Come on, YouTube, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the pyramids today and make our way to Puebla by this evening. You see they're all over the ground. Yeah, I believe these are kumquats. I don't know. If I'm wrong, YouTube, tell us what this is. Yeah, so it was pretty chill night. Like literally pretty chilly. But it's all good. Got the sleeping bag. and warmed up eventually, and yeah. SniperShot checking in from Mexico with the Adventure Bros. Fibonacci All Stars, know what I'm talking about? What up, what up? SniperShot, Chop Diggy, Tito Indigo.
There's no Wi-Fi here.
Temple of the Sun.
Ooh, you guys just fucking look pretty while I fucking film you. Let's go in there. We are at the top of the Pirámide del Sol, Teotihuacan, Mexico, cerca de DF, close to Mexico City. Here's the astounding view from the top. Very touristy area. Lots of people from everywhere. European countries, America, Mexico, of course. You guys are relaxing after the walk up. Haven't even been narrating this one too much because, I don't know, it speaks for itself. This thing was here. The Aztecs were here for 900 years. And now, 2018, multiple thousands of years later, there's people still coming here for the immense power, energy, and historical cultural influence this has.
There's a face of a goddess in here, but I don't know, I'm not seeing it. Might be a little bit weathered. But yeah, we're here at the Temple of the Moon, Teotihuacan. Tito Indigo, Chop Diggy, SniperShot. Getting a couple scenes for the music video, you know?
Yeah, it looks freaking cool.
For our EP we're recording in the van out here in Mexico. What? Fibonacci All Stars, you know what I'm talking about? Let's hit it.
There are many other ruined parts around here from the ancient city of the Aztecs. They do not let you all the way to the top. The infrastructure is a shitty. They got this shitty infrastructure. Cuencunce, frente a la pirámide de la luna se encontró una estructura que contiene varias divisiones internas, formadas 5 partes que en su conjunto reciben el nombre Cruz Teotihuacan. The cross. The universe is divided into 4 cardinal points. Each one is governed by one of the cardinal points. The forces from the 4 corners of the cosmos and 3 vertical levels, heaven, earth, and underworld, converge in the center, the world's navel.
Chasing things that an eagle hold dear in the woods with the plants, bugs and deer. Out the past in my rear, the present up ahead. Use my legs hard and head to be the best till I'm dead.
Pretty sweet old Datsun I just found here. Teotihuacan. We almost got a little drone footage trouble with the policia at the top of the pyramid. So we made it work. We deleted the footage. And now we're getting some free cervezas with our lunch.
Man, we constantly getting in trouble.
This is the most epic traffic jam ever. People are just out the cars. And luckily, we are on the other side of the road. Yeah, top of the morning. Just made some fresh squeezed OJ. Finna pack up, headed south. Another day, another waterfall. Know what I'm talking about?
Tito Indigo here. We have camped near the city of Puebla. SniperShot over here.
Good morning.
We just woke up. Of course, Beatnik Chemist brushing his teeth, making a beat. You know how it is. This is where we stayed last night. It's an RV camp called Las Americas. It's near Puebla, near the city of Puebla in Puebla, Mexico. And we are headed towards the waterfall today. As you can tell, we have a good amount of space. We weren't bothered. There's RVs parked here. There's the van. It's actually pretty nice. We have the camp set up behind us. We just broke it down. But then over here you have an awesome pool. And we're about to head to a place called Agua Vuelta, which is a pretty awesome waterfall in the state. Then we're gonna camp, that's probably about a 2-hour drive. We're gonna have to do another hour and a half drive to get to another waterfall called Pierda del Agua. So that's where we'll camp. Hopefully we can get some good shots for our music video, which we filmed a lot of yesterday at Teotihuacan.
What up, YouTubes? Tito Indigo, SniperShot checking in. Chop Diggy somewhere behind us. So we are hiking in the mountains of... Are we still in Hidalgo?
We're in Puebla.
We are in Puebla, and we are attempting to find a waterfall. We just ran into a local indigenous woman doing her laundry in the stream here, and she assures us if we keep walking, we'll hit a waterfall. So we're gonna keep walking. But anyways, it's a lovely hike. The water is looking crystal clear. So of course we got our swimming suits, you know. And we're gonna do it, because we keep it gangsta.
Alright, Tito Indigo here, and we are in Puebla. We met some people here, and he's going to show us how to jump from the rock into the water. We are at a waterfall called Agua Vuelta. Our friend here that we met is going to show us how he jumps from this special location on the rocks he knows. He offered for us both to swim, him and I, to jump from here. But rejections from my crew, SniperShot and Jay, saying, oh, I shouldn't give up the camera, I decided not to. Plus, he told me it's very complicated to get up there. You can hardly see him now. But he's going to show us exactly where he jumps from. There he is. ¿Cómo se llamaba? ¿Otra vez él? Carlos. Carlos. Okay, here's our friend Carlos. Wow, he did it. ¡Woo! ¡Órale! ¿Cómo se sentí? The water is really refreshing. We jumped off this smaller one because we're not as bold. Don't know the area as well. Just shot a little music video for Snipes and the Fibonacci All Star project, one of the songs we did. There's a lot of beauty here. It reminds us of the water from San Luis Potosí. I'd get closer, but the rocks are all slippery, so I just wanted to show you guys this epic view that it overlooks. There's the guys.
Yo, we got to the campsite too late. The
Way too
freaking
late.
closed. It's all locked up. So we're just gonna camp right here next to this sugarcane field.
What's up, guys? Tito Indigo here. We just camped on a road next to a closed official campsite that was not open when we got there. But it was all good. We camped next to this sugarcane field. We're driving through it right now. A little bit bumpy.
Looks like now we're on a dead cornfield.
And yeah.
But yeah, posted up on the road. It was already dark, so we just made some dinner. Chop Diggy made a beat. And yeah, we just kind of slept on the road.
Literally sleeping on the road.
6:30 in the morning, we're already packed up in the car. The sun is rising and we are heading south. Right on schedule to Oaxaca, a new state. What is it, day
9.
Yeah, day 9.
We're officially one day off of our itinerary.
Oh yeah, but we are
But that's-
officially out here.
We out here. We're doing it. We're making it happen. And right now, we're on the way out of this sugarcane field. No one knows we were here at all. One guy knows we were here. I don't know his name. He saw us wave high. Packed up the tent. Now we're headed to Oaxaca. Alright, here we are in Oaxaca City. Ciudad Oaxaca. Check it out. Long day of driving today. Should be getting to Yerba El Agua in about, I don't know, an hour and a half. So, this is Oaxaca City so far. Picked up some mezcal earlier. Oh yeah.
It's just made on the next mountain.
No label. Straight off the mountain. Show them the bottle. She said when you shake it, you should see bubbles if it's legit. And look at this.
Pearl necklace on top.
You see the pearl necklace? Oh yeah.
We ain't shortchanging ourselves. We only want that legitness.
This is real. That's really happening. Trying to be as steady as possible here. Ancient church in Oaxaca.